Most developers write loops or self-joins to calculate running totals, but SQL window functions provide a built-in solution that's both cleaner and more efficient. A running total accumulates values row by row. The key is using sum as a window function with the over clause. Unlike a regular aggregate, over tells SQL to compute the sum across a window of rows rather than collapsing them into groups. This preserves every row while adding a cumulative column. The order by inside over is critical. It defines which rows come before the current row when calculating the sum. Without order by, you'd get the total for all rows on every line. With order by, each row sees only the rows up to and including itself. That's what makes it a running total instead of a grand total. To calculate separate running totals for different categories, add PARTITION by before order by. This resets the accumulation whenever the partition column changes. For example, PARTITION by customer ID gives you a running total per customer rather than across all customers. Here's a complete example. We're calculating a running total of sales by date. The default frame is rows between bounded preceding end current or row, which means all rows from the start of the partition up to now. You can make this explicit or customize it. For instance, a rows between two preceding end current or row would give you a rolling 3-row sum instead of a full running total. Remember, sum over with order by creates running totals. Add PARTITION by for grouped calculations. Master window functions and you'll write cleaner, faster SQL. Practice this on LeetCode or HackerRank to ace your interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.